Hello everyone, I'm Anayah. Recently I have learned how to ride a bike without training wheels. It took me hardly 2 hours. I've decided to share my experience with those who are trying to learn how to ride a bike. It's a fun activity and it's a great exercise. So if you want to learn how to ride a bike, watch this video till the very end and you'll be riding a bike without any problem. Let's go to the lesson. Lesson number 1. When you're choosing bike, the seat should always be level with your waist, and when you sit on the seat, your feet should be touching the floor. And you should always be wearing a helmet, which I should do now. Make sure it's snug on your head and it's not too tight and it's not too loose. Then, pick up the stand. Make sure your bike is on the right side of you and you're on the left side of your bike. Walk it like this to the path. Make sure you ride where there's not many people or it isn't too crowded. Now, get onto your bike and start moving with your feet. It'll help learning how to balance. But if you're not too good at doing that, start with lifting your feet up like this and trying to put your foot down wherever you're falling. If you're falling here, put your left foot down. If you're falling on this side, put your right foot down. Once you've learned how to do that, start with the button. Now, I'm quite good at that. Lesson number 2. Once you've learned how to balance yourself, go to a slightly slopey path or trail and try to push yourself, or if you can't do that, ask someone to push you gently onto the track or trail and try to balance yourself without pedaling. And I'll show you how to do that. You push yourself with your feet a couple of times. Do this for about 30 minutes, and if you get confident, start with lesson 3. Lesson number 3. Once you've learned how to balance yourself without pedaling, push yourself back onto the trail or track you were on before. Get someone to gently push you or push yourself and try pedaling. Let me show you how it's done. Practice this for 30 minutes, and if you follow all these steps, you should be learning how to ride a bike without any mistakes, or like a pro. If you fall down, don't worry. I fell down a bunch of times, bruised myself, and ripped up my jeans. So, I hope you enjoyed this video. Hopefully soon you'll be able to ride a bike like amazing. So make sure you like my videos and you subscribe to my channel, and please share this video with your friends, and please make sure you give me feedback in the comments. See you next time.